Today's hot topic, Asteroid 2023, which has recently been making headlines. Is it really on a collision course with Earth in 23 years? Let's analyze the latest findings from NASA. Discovered on February 26, 2023, this asteroid, roughly the size of an Olympic swimming pool, was first spotted 10 million kilometers away from Earth. Its discovery at Chil's San Pedro de Atacama Observatory has sparked a global conversation. NASA estimates the probability of a collision with Earth at about 1 in 600, the highest for any known asteroid. However, they reassure us that the risk, while higher than average for near-Earth asteroids, remains very low. This is similar in size to the meteorite that caused the Tunguska event in 1908, flattening 80 million trees over 2,000 square kilometers. The potential for damage, especially if it hits an urban area, cannot be overlooked. The asteroid's closest approach is expected on February 14, 2046, possibly passing over 1.8 million kilometers from Earth. The risk zone includes vast areas from the Indian Ocean to the United States coasts. On the Turin scale, it's rated at 1 out of 10, indicating a small but noteworthy risk. NASA emphasizes that further observations are likely to refine the asteroid's trajectory, potentially reducing the perceived risk. Accurate orbit prediction requires weeks of data collection. The 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor, half the size of this asteroid, caused significant damage and injuries. This highlights the importance of tracking and preparing for such celestial threats. While the odds of a collision are slim, this asteroid reminds us of our vulnerability to cosmic events.